question B, they say if x is an element of, so this little sign, if it looks like this, it means element of, it means it's in this set. So in this notation, look at the 3 numbers there, we call this a set. So it means x can take on any value in that set. So x can either be 0 or 1 or 2. So in this case, they say if x is an element of 0, 1 and 2, what are the values of the following expressions? Okay, let's look at number 1. There we have 3x. Now we've seen in the previous exercise, 3x mean 3 times x. So now, for x equal to 0, okay, so if x is equal to 0, then it's going to be 3 times 0, which is 0. If x is equal to 1, then the answer will be 3 times 1, which is then 3. And if x takes on the value of 2, then the expression will be 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. Let's look at number 2. There we have 3 plus x, right? So, for x equal to 0, we will have 3 plus 0, which is 3. Then, for x equal to 1, it will be 3 plus 1 equal to 4. And for x equal to 2, it's going to be 3 plus 2, which is 5. Right, let's look at number 5. The question is x divided by 2. Remember that x over 2 means it's x divided by 2. So, for x equal to 0, it will be 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Then for x equal to 1, it will be 1 over 2. And you can leave it as that. That's a half. Then for x equal to 2, we will have 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Let's have a look at number 6. B6. There it's 3x plus 1. So a 3 in front of a bracket means it's 3 times the whole bracket. Alright, so let's substitute. We say for x equal to 0, it is going to be 3 times 0 plus 1, which is then 3 times 1, and that is 3. For x equal to 1, we will have 3 times 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 3 times 2, because brackets comes first before multiplication. Now we say 3 times 2 is 6. And then finally for x equal to 2, it's 3 times 2 plus 1, which is then 3 times 3, and that simplifies to 9. I'm also going to do number 8, where it says 2x to the power of 3. Now, what does to the power of 3 mean? It means it's 2 times x times x times x. In other words, 3 x's, right? So, let's see. For x equal to 0, we will have 2 times 0 times 0 times 0, which is then 0. For x equal to 1, we have 2 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is then 2. X equal to 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 adds up to, so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times another 2 is 8, and 8 times another 2 is then 16.